someone. We are going to do another math page in this packet, which is the, go back to the front, December Christmas math packet. So yesterday we did a couple of addition pages. The last one we did were those Christmas trees where you got to add the different color of bulbs. So we're going to do this one. Now this is a measuring page. And I'm going to talk a little bit about measuring. We're going to do a whole unit in the spring on measuring. But usually people think we measure with a ruler, and we do, right? So if I was going to measure something, here, let me see what I can measure here. I've got a marker right here. I've got a marker. I would line it up on the 0, okay? The 0, which is, let me show you the numbers right there. You don't see the 0, but you see 1, 2, 3. So at the very beginning, that would be 0. Okay, I'm gonna line it up. I'll put it on the bottom. You wanna put it right at the edge. And then you measure all the way to here. So this, if I measure the tip, look, it's all the way to 5. And those are called inches. So this marker is 5 inches. Now if I did something a little smaller, like my eraser right here, look, this is 2 inches. Okay, but in kindergarten, we could measure with other things too. We even sometimes measure with paper clips. Okay, so these little things right here, I'm gonna hold them up, are called cubes. They're little counting cubes, okay? They're not Unifix cubes, those are the ones that hook together. They're just little ones cubes, okay? They are exactly 1 centimeter, and they weigh 1 ounce too, so they're good for weighing things. Okay, so then if I show you this one here, do you see the lines on there? I think you can. If we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It would take 10 of these to, I can't do it holding it down, I'd have to do it on the table. 10 of these to be equal to 1 of these, okay? We use these for place value also, but right now we're going to use it for measuring. Okay, so let me put this all the way down and tilt it just a little bit so you can see my paper a little bit better. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to measure in these little units, these little centimeter cubes, okay? So we're measuring first the height of the boy with the reindeer hat. So what you have to do is, we're going to measure all the way to the top. I'm just going to lay that down so you can see. We're going to go right here. And it says to color the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to get, I think I'm just going to use red and green. Oh, it doesn't really matter, but watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once I color them, then I'll show you. So I'm coloring as many cubes as the height of that boy, okay? But not here, the top of his head. I want to go all the way to the top of the antlers, right? So you want it nice and even. And then I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so it's 7 units. They're not actually inches. They're more like centimeters, but we're going to call them units. They're the little cubes here. Okay. So how about this Christmas tree? That's kind of funny, huh? Because the boy looks taller than the Christmas tree. That's a tiny tree. So I'm going to go, watch. Okay, I don't want to stop here because that's right here. There we go. There we go. I'm going to just sort of, whoop, I don't even have to draw the line. I just wanted to make sure. We definitely don't want to go up to this one. So here it is. There's the top of the tree. I guess that's okay to do that. So when we color them, I'm going to use a green this time. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how tall is this teeny tiny Christmas tree? It's 5 units, or 5 of these little cubes. So I'll put a 5 there. Okay, and I am going to do a few more with you because they're going to change it up on us in a minute. Okay, the candy cane. If I take my pencil, the candy cane doesn't go all the way to the top, does it? It goes right here, right here. And I already told you that there were 10 in each stick. So what do you think that's going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to go back to green. I'll color, oops, back to red, I think. And I'll go back and color all the cute little pictures when I'm done. So I'll color the candy cane red and white. And you can color whatever color you want on these sticks. Our sticks that we use in the classroom when we do place value, we have orange ones and we have blue ones. But I know they do come in every color, different colors. Okay, now this time, this is the height. This is how tall the boy is. This is how tall the Christmas tree is. This is how tall the candy cane is. Now this, when you go this way and you lay the stick, oops, when you lay the stick down, okay, this is like a tower. This is like a snake, right? When you lay it down, that's, you're measuring how wide. So if we're going to measure how tall the crayon is, we go this way. If we want to measure the other way, then we go like this. Okay, so now, oh wow, look at the tree is in the wagon, and I think that's a girl, I can't tell, is way over here. So we're going to color, starting here, all the way over here. We're going to color them all. And then we're going to count them. And I already told you how many were in each stick, didn't I? But we'll count them. Okay, we go from here to here, the whole width of the stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I keep getting mixed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I knew there were 10, but I better count them and make sure in case they try to trick us, right? So don't forget to put the number up here. Okay, so now the present goes from here to here. I'm going to draw a line. And now that's a little tricky. It goes over the line a little bit, but I don't think I want to go to this one because it doesn't go all that way. I'm going to try that one more time. I'm going to go straighter down. Yeah, so if I go all the way down here, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to color those green again. Okay, and there, I'll color the present later. And look at the bow. The bow is just like this one. It starts on one and it goes all the way to the end, doesn't it? So we need to color them all again. Okay, so all 10 cubes or units. That bow is 10 units. All right, so there we go. Now, you know what? I think I'm going to have you guys do these all by yourself. What you can do is just get a little pencil, kind of go here. If you can't tell how many, you draw a little line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's going to be just a little bit shorter, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one's really short, isn't it? This one we're going to go to here. That's only 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're done, you can say which ones are the tallest, which ones are the shortest, which ones are the widest, right? Okay, I'm going to let you guys finish that on your own, and that is all we're going to do for our math today, just one page. Bye-bye.